So we're okay in this lane here. We're going to be turning right onto the second street. There's two ways you can go here, two road markings, but we're following that car, where that car is going.
So going right.
Yeah. There we go. So now, see the way the cars are parked?
Yeah.
On the left side of the road?
Yeah.
Indicates that this roadway is a one-way street.
Oh, yeah.
And if you look at the end, it turns into two lanes, one for left, one for right. You also got two stop signs, one on each corner. Those are identifying marks to help you identify this roadway as a one-way street. We're going to turn right. So two stop signs, one on each corner.
I guess now that you mention it, it's weird to see.
Also, the stop line goes all the way across from curb to curb. That's another marker, identifying marker. See, road markings mean different colors, right? Mean different things.
Yeah.
So basically, white lines, they divide traffic going in the same direction. Yellow lines divide traffic going in opposing directions. That's an important clue to help you navigate the one-way streets downtown and not go the wrong way down a one-way street.
That is good.
Because when you're turning onto a one-way street, you have to pick a particular lane. If you're making a left turn, you turn into the left lane. You make a right turn, you turn into the right lane. So it's a little awkward at first because people aren't used to turning into the left lane.
Or driving on the left side of the road.
Or on the left side of the road. It can be a little confusing at first until you get used to it. So just after the bridge here, we're going to turn right. There's a little slip lane there for you after the speed sign. There's like a 50 speed sign. Just after it is your right turn. Here it is here.
So turning right.
Yeah,
here.
right turn.
That almost didn't look like a turn.
I know. It sneaks up on you. And we're going to turn right at the stop sign. This is an easy street to identify as a two-way. The way the cars are parked on each side of the road,
Yeah.
divided by a yellow line. And we're going to turn right down this next street over here. The right lane is for people to park in. So we go into the left lane.
What the heck?
Yeah. They've added a bike lane beside the parked cars on the right side.
Yeah, I see.
So now they need space for the cars, so the right side of the roadway is for parking. And we'll just keep going straight unless I ask you for a left or a right.
Yeah.
So there's no yellow lines. It's all white lines. White lines are for one ways. The way the cars are parked on each side of the road shows you you're not going the wrong way. Here we're going to turn left.
Does that mean stop?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the flashing red light is there so that if your view of the stop signs are blocked by a delivery truck parking too close.
So we're turning to this now?
No, look at the yellow line, right? The yellow line divides traffic going in opposite directions. So this is a two-way street.
I see.
But here you'll be turning into the left lane.
Right here?
Yeah. Because now you're turning onto a one-way street. And you can tell that you're turning onto a one-way street because the line is white, not yellow, and the way the cars are parked on each side of the road.
Yes. Oh no, that's very confusing, isn't it?
So yeah, sometimes the delivery trucks will park near the stop signs and block your view of them. That's why you got the flashing red light above the intersections. Nice, good space management. The only thing we can do here is go straight. In other words, we can't make a left turn. If you look over there, Stop signs are backwards. So the flow of traffic goes one way, that way. You'd be going the wrong way if you turned left here. And you can't make a right turn from the left lane.
Yes. Yeah.
So here again, all we could do is make a left turn.
And this is a two-way.
The one that you're turning onto is a two-way. How did you know?
The yellow one.
Yep. That's a good clue. For summertime, because the line is visible. In the winter time, it might be covered in snow, so you look for the number of stop signs instead. Here we're going to turn left. And you're turning onto a one-way street here again, so it's the left lane. Yeah.
Oh, so smooth.
So technically the speed limit anywhere within city limits is assumed to be 50. But that rule goes out the window when you're driving on the one-ways for obvious reasons. If you went 50 here, you'd kill someone.
Yeah, I know. I was going like 30 because way too low.
Yeah, 30 or less is the best speed to go at, because you need enough time to respond, right? If somebody runs out from between the parked vehicles or... Yeah. So we'll keep going straight at this intersection. But yeah, in the wintertime, if you can't see the yellow line over there, covered in snow, then look for the stop sign. There's like only one stop sign there. It's backwards. So it shows you it's a two-way, not a one-way. If it was a one-way, there'd be another stop sign on that corner, and it would also be backwards. You see what I mean about delivery trucks, eh? Blocking your view of the stop sign?
Yeah. Or like half in one way and half in the other.
Yeah, no choice. You got wiggle room. And we're going to turn left here at this intersection. And just because the cars in front of you are turning left here doesn't mean that they're going the right way. You never want to follow what another car is doing. So you look for the stop sign. See, there's only one stop sign. What does that tell you?
That is a one-way.
A two-way.
Two-way.
Yeah, two-way.
Yeah. Said the opposite.
Yeah, I know what you meant. Then we're going to turn left here at this intersection. So there's only two questions you ask yourself before you turn when you're downtown. First of all, what kind of a road is it that I'm turning into? So you want to identify the roadway before you turn. Here, there's traffic lights on that side, but there's no traffic lights on that side. That tells you the traffic flows one way in that direction.
Also, in the arrow just coming up.
Also, you got an arrow, you got no right turns, you got a white line over there. There's a lot of clues to let you know that you're turning onto a one-way street.
And then I gotta stay in the left lane.
Yeah, that's the second question, is which lane do I turn into? After you identify the roadway, then you know which lane to turn into. If it's a two-way, into the right lane. If it's a one-way, into the left lane. It's very logical.
Yeah.
And also, too, pedestrians need to attain 1 foot to the curb if they're still in the crosswalk. So left lane. And then we go real slow through here because you never know, somebody might run out from between a parked vehicle, which happens here frequently.
Oh, I bet.
Okay, let's make a right lane change. And straight ahead. When you're driving on the one-ways, you don't need to worry about moving to the right lane like you do on a two-way street.
Like when you make a left turn.
Yeah, you just you pick whichever lane is the most open, least amount of resistance in it. Right turn. Also, it's a good idea to double check the sidewalk over your right shoulder here too, in case someone's coming off the sidewalk on a motorized scooter or bicycle. Left lane change. And we're turning left at the lights. See the road marking? good to go, right on. Then we're going to make a right lane change. And a right turn at the lights. So scanning the sidewalk ahead of time. Sharp right. It's a skinny lane.
Oh,
Yeah, I know. It's straight ahead. And we're going to turn left at this light. This is just one wide lane. When it's really wide like this, you stay close to the yellow line. Because sometimes the right it's wide like this to allow people to park on the side of the road.
Oh, yeah.
There's a big gap there. You should have another stick.
Yeah.
At the stop sign ahead, we're going to turn left.
Stop right here.
Yeah.
Oh, I see the sidewalk now.
Yeah, there we go. You got her. And we're going to turn left at the stop sign.